Hello, this is a short video on the replacement of an IMAX screen. For whatever reason, whether it's damaged or it needs to be upgraded. So this is coming to you from the IMAX Theatre in Victoria, British Columbia. So this is a screen that has some damage. They cut out the damaged part, they'll roll that up and send it to IMAX. There's riggers on the top, they're letting the screen down. And when the screen's on the ground like that, they'll use that screen, they'll cut it up and use it for covers for the seats to protect the new screen when we lay it out onto the seats from being damaged. Here's the new screen. It arrives on a flatbed truck. And volunteers are the wonderful people we use. We put a call out to anybody with a strong back and an interest in helping out on the social media, and we had lots of turnout, which was wonderful. So this screen is about 61 feet long on this, what they're carrying here. That would be the height, overall height, and about, I guess, 62 feet with the packing and everything. Coming in through the side door of the theater. Careful not to damage it on the doors. So they'll bring it in and just gently lower it and take a bit of a breather. After a few minutes, they will pick it up again and move the first end that came in. They'll move that up to the top of the theater, and the bottom end down there is actually going to end up being the top of the screen. Once again, that's the length of the height. That's the height dimension, and they roll it out to the width, which is about 85 feet, and that's a foam material that's on the screen itself. The riggers rigged a bar across the top and hoist it up, and there at the top you can see their headlights, and they're fastening it, and the foam is removed. Takes a little while to get it straight and tight. And, yeah, so there's the new screen. It looks fast in the video. It does take a while. Our patrons are coming in for another film, ready to go, and here we go. So thanks so much for watching. Hope that was some information for you that's interesting. Bye for now.